Do you know someone that lost data due to a hard drive failure? Studies show that more than 40% of businesses that experience catastrophic data loss fail within a few months. Now, one way many business owners avoid this problem is by storing their data in the cloud. In this video, we'll outline 3 reasons you should consider storing your data in the cloud, coming up next. You know the risk of keeping your files stored locally, but maybe you haven't taken the time to investigate a cloud storage solution. If that describes you, here are 3 great reasons to move away from storing your critical files locally and migrate them to the cloud that you may not have considered. Number 1, easy access. Now, by storing your data in the cloud, you gain the benefit of being able to access this data anytime and anywhere that the internet is available. Now, this means no more worrying about whether you remember to save your latest report to that USB thumb drive for this morning's meeting. Number 2, nearly infinite storage capacity. Now, increasing your capacity on your PC typically means buying a new hard drive, installing it, and then transferring all your existing data, only to have to repeat the process in just a couple of years. By storing your data in the cloud, you have the option of simply increasing your storage capacity by increasing your data plan, so that you never run out of room again. Number 3, security compliance. These days, there are strict laws governing how and where business data is stored and who can access it. Now, keeping that data in a non-compliant environment can cost you big bucks. Cloud storage services can ensure that your data is kept in full compliance and safely out of the hands of hackers. Don't wait until you suffer catastrophic data loss to make the switch to the cloud. It's just not worth the risk. Your data is vitally important. If you'd like to know more about how to protect your data in the cloud, give our team a call.